So if you see my wig looking raggedy, don't say nothing. You my business. Don't do that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. So today it's not a weekly vlog, it's just like today is Sunday the 24th. We're just doing like a, you know, prepping for the week, unwind with me. So guys, ignore my dog in the background, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. I've just been in bed all day, honestly. I just wanted to relax, reset my body for the week that's ahead. I have work and stuff, so I just went to the grocery store and got some stuff, and I'm gonna be making dinner. I need to reapply my wig. So if you see my wig looking raggedy, don't say nothing. You my business. Don't do that. So Drew, can I just record my intro please? Just please. But yes, I'll be unpacking the groceries. I'm gonna do a load of laundry. You know, COVID, you have to wash your clothes frequently, and I'm interacting with customers at work, so I'm gonna just do my unpack the groceries. The noise is like bothering me, so I'm just gonna unpack the groceries. You guys are gonna see me cook dinner. I'm gonna do laundry. I need to reapply my wig because like it's just time to reapply. I didn't film this guys, this look, but this is a wig from Amazon. I'm gonna leave links in the description box if you guys want the link. Let me know in the comments. Drew. So it's a 26-inch deep wave frontal 13x4. Plucked it and installed it myself as usual, so I just need to reapply that. And yeah, self-care, I'm gonna put on a mask, stuff like that. But first, I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, please forgive me because I can't take the toy away from him, and I needed to film the intro. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unpack the groceries, and I'm making rice and peas today, so I'm just gonna put the peas to cook from now, and the chicken is still thawing, so once it's done thawing, and then I'll just start making the seasoning and stuff. I'm making fricassee chicken, but I'm like putting it in the oven after I brown it, so that's just what I'm doing. Drew, come here. Come here. Come say hi to the camera. Oh. He thinks I'm trying to take the toy away from him. Come here. Can y'all see him? Drew. Annoying as hell. But yeah, that's just what this is. Zoom out. Yeah. So I got some coffee. I normally do instant coffee because we plan to buy a Keurig, but he's gonna pick which one he wants. But I just got this Nescafe French roast, and I got, you know, the black ice, but like the vents, because I hate seeing, I think it's so tacky to have the thing hanging. Yeah, I got some rice and peas. I got some peas, some coconut milk. I got some rice cakes, so I can like bring like a snack to work. I got these I don't eat keto, but I do like a modernized version of keto because I'm not really strict with it. But I got these keto frozen waffles, and it's what, 6 net carbs for 2 waffles. So I think that's pretty good for like breakfast and stuff. I got some tuna. We eat tuna. We like tuna. I got, what's this? Some scallion. I got some glass Tupperware from Walmart. because I hate plastic ones. I'm about to throw all the ones I have in the cupboard because I just can't stand them. Then I got some like cleaners, like the Clorox cleaners to like clean like the bathroom, the counters. And I got this keto bread. It's what? How much carbs is it? Because I love bread. Like bread and rice is my weakness. I've like cut down on rice, so it's not like I'm not eating it as much. But like I'm making rice and peas today. I don't normally eat rice. I normally just eat vegetable and the meat that I cook. But like, you know, breakfast, I like having bread. So this is the Sara Lee Delightful bread. It's 6 net carbs per slice, so that's really good. I got a new creamer just to try it out. It's just the Great Value. I thought this was the Delight version. I must have not picked up the right one. I got some corned beef because my boyfriend likes corned beef. I'm not a big fan. Since everybody remember like the outbreak, with like there was something in Jamaica from that, I haven't really eaten it. I got some coleslaw mix. I'm gonna make like shredded veg with like vinegar and sugar. I got some tangerine. This is the fruit of choice in this household. I got another set of the Tupperware. I can bring food to work. I bought that in a toaster because he needed one. Is that it? Is that like, I got way more stuff. I got baby oil because girl or guys, my skin dry bad. I got some shaving cream and I got this thing because I take medication and I'm always forgetting to take it. And I bought SPF because I went to the dermatologist the other day and they gave me like sample sizes and they're all done, so I actually need to buy one now. And I got oyster sauce because I was watching this recipe because I've never made fricassee chicken, but I wanted to come out good. So this YouTube video that I was watching, I think his name is Morris Time Cooking. I was like, he's stuff. I got that and I think that's about it. So now you guys just gonna watch me unpack, put them away. So this is just gonna speed this part up. Wait, before I got wine. This is what? Stella Rose Tropical Passion and Mango. I'm looking forward to having this. I'm just gonna put it to get cold. Once it's in there for a while, I'm gonna have a glass because I'm becoming a wine person. But yeah, now I'm gonna speed it up. let it bake or cook, finish cooking rather. Drew, can you stop? Anything, I think I'm just gonna make some more sauce for the gravy and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the oven. And then my rice. I already finished my rice. Let focus. Yeah, I already finished my rice. So guys, nobody's abusing Drew. Drew just annoying. Yeah, I already finished my rice, so just wait for my chicken to finish, and then I'm gonna make the vegetable, and then I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys once the food's done. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my wig off and just reapply it. So if you don't know how I install my wigs, you need to go and watch my videos. I'm gonna link it in the cards over here. So yeah, you're just gonna, I'm not doing an in-depth thing, I'm just reapplying it. So yeah. Totally forgot I was filming, so I already put on my ball cap. So now I'm just gonna cut it off, add my makeup, and then you guys will see. So let's get back into the video. what it came out like. You know, you have the potatoes, the carrots, the seasonings. Oh, so delicious. So I'm just gonna plate it and pour my wine, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll just insert pictures of my wig. Bon appetit!